Just noticed you were pulled over here.
Yeah.
Other side of the road. Do you want to tell us what you're up to here?
We're just going out of town.
You want to keep your hands out of your pockets where I can see them? You want to stand over here, please, sir?
Are we under arrest?
Not this time, sir. I'm just inquiring as to your activity at the moment.
We're...
Are you the registered owner of this vehicle?
no, I am not.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want to stand right here? I'm not going to tell you this again. Right there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You just said we're not under arrest.
No English.
Okay, I'm going to get you to turn around, place your hands behind your back, please.
I would like you to tell me what I did.
Okay, we're detaining you under suspicion. Drop it, drop the weapon.
Sorry, man. Oh, him. What? That's how gorillas fight.
Guys, I hit you! You hit me in the head! That's why I was like, shit, head!
There's no head left to cut off. Good job, buddy.
It worked. You fucking terrorist, Joe!